back to my channel. So I was in the middle working out. I was showing you guys how the Venuzer, I'm gonna learn that word, let me get it right, the Venuzer waist trainer. And even though I didn't see like sweat dripping like crazy, I think if I had my sweet sweat gel, then I think that I would get the look that I was looking for when I take it off and it drips. That will come soon. But in the middle of me working out, I received a really awesome gift in the mail. I had Amazon pull up, my Amazon Prime, and I'm most likely 100% sure that they are my apple cider vinegar Goli gummies. Now, for those of you who do not know what the gummies are, if you do work out or if you're looking to work out, I know you heard benefits on how apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight. In this case, I can't drink apple cider vinegar. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. I can't even explain it. If you tasted it before, you know. But I got my box and I'm ready to unbox it with you guys, and I'm excited to see and taste them. I'm gonna let you know how they are. I'm gonna show you the bottle. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you guys can purchase your own. It comes in a pack of 1 bottle, or a pack of 2, or a pack of 3. I got mine. I got 1 bottle. It was $17. Not that bad, but for 1 bottle, you know, it is great benefits, so I am gonna expect a price like that. So it came in this cute little box, just like this, and I'm getting ready to open it so we can see, you know, the gummies. I'm actually really excited. I learned about this on, I wanna say, I think her name is Janaye. I think that's how you pronounce it. Janaye Penn. She introduced me to the apple cider vinegar tablets because I was going crazy looking at how can I lose belly fat quickly, and I saw that apple cider vinegar was really great. I seen a lot of people mixing lemon water in it, or just lemon juice in it, mixing it with water. Me, I can't take the taste, and I wanted to be able to have the benefits of apple cider vinegar without, you know, the liquid taste. So when I found out about these gummies, I was super excited. So I'm opening. It looks just like this. Cute little tablet, and here are my gummies. I'm so excited. You don't understand. I'm super excited about these gummies because they're gonna come in handy. And it comes 60 pieces. The company is called Goli. So let's see what we have here. It's gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, so no weird stuff in it. It's organic and unfiltered. Now they do say that you're supposed to take 3 tablets daily, 1 to 2 up to 3 times daily. It says enjoy up to 6 gummies daily. So I guess the more you take, the better the benefit. But because I got 1 bottle, I think I'm gonna start with 2 a day. And then once I get down, I see like I have about maybe 5 left. I think I'm gonna reorder. I might just order the 3 bottles off Amazon and just save myself the money. I think it does come up to maybe $35 if I'm not mistaken. I will double check that for you guys. Okay, hold up. Let me give you the honest review. When you smell them, they smell like apple cider vinegar. They smell like apple cider vinegar, but I heard they taste good. And I'm looking inside the bottle. These bad boys are huge. Can you see that? Let me just take it out and show you. And I'm gonna taste it and see. Feel me? See how it is. So they look like this. It's not bad. Yes, guys, we did it. We found the perfect apple cider vinegar intake on these to lose that belly weight. Highly recommend. I will leave the description to Amazon in my description box if you guys want to purchase it. This video is not sponsored, but Goli, if you want me to sponsor you, you guys want to lose weight and apple cider vinegar just does not taste good to you, these are your go-tos. And I hope you guys like it. It tastes good. This is my review on it. And Goli, nice job. I'm so excited, guys. Get yourself a bottle or 3. So if you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna give y'all some updates me working out, taking these with my waist trainer, you know, just basically letting everything that I bought for my workout routine come together and work its magic. All right, guys, see you in my next video.